Video tutorial. We this time discuss about misuse VLOOKUP. So here there are 4 mistakes in the use of VLOOKUP. Okay, just go ahead. We practice. Well, here I am. Have a table. We're going to find gender from this provided array table. Okay, let's just make a formula. We're going to be using VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP. Then here is open brackets. We double-click. Automatically appears open the brackets. Median lookup value. This value is. We click on this one. Then comma. Can be seen here. The instructions. Comma here is table array. We block the array table. Then, don't forget we hit the F4 on the keyboard to create this table array. Absolute he does not shift. Later when we copy the formula, then comma, index column, call index. Well, this call index, because we want to find a gender. Then gender is in the second column of the array table. 1, 2, then we make 2, comma. We give O, because we want an excite match. Close the enter bracket. Well, then we copy this formula by pulling. Like this. Well, here there was an error, yes. Which is on Barbara. Why there is an error? Because this Barbara not in the array table. Look at this customer name. Then he error. So the point. This is actually not wrong. Excel made this error to remind us that this Barbara is not in this array table. Then later we can add in the table Renaya the Barbara. Like that. Yes, so this is just a reminder. This means that the error is not mistake human but indeed. Excel tells us that Barbara not in this array table. Yeah, like that. Not the error of the formula. I mean like it's not the error of the formula, yeah. Okay. Then this one also. Ray is also not in this array table. Next, Brian is also not in this array table. Then we can make it here. Well, that's the first. Let's delete it. Let's do the second. VLOOKUP. I did it like this. There are some people may forget or may not understand. He immediately made VLOOKUP like this, then lookup value. Just click this. Then comma. Table array, block like this. Chosen like this. But he didn't press F4. Well, see the results later. Just do it like this. Comma call index. Then we're looking for a gender. Then in the second column in the array table, 1 to make 2. Then comma. Close the bracket, just enter it. We'll just copy it. Well, it turns out here. Barbara error. Because it's not here in the array table. But this Olivia is in the array table. But why error? Well, let's see. We see here. Double-click to see the formula. Well, look here. That I block this F4 to H8. Yes, but if in the next line, apparently, F5 shifting him. This shouldn't be allowed. If we press F4, this will not shift. He stays the same. It's already F5. H9 toddy F4. H8, you're right, here was F4. H8. Until H8, he gets here shifts. F5 H9. This is again shifting. F6 H10. Why shift? Because we're not pressing F4. This is a mistake. User, yes, it's his human fault, yeah. So the formula is wrong, because the humans may have forgotten. Users forget or do not know. Okay, the third mistake, likely to occur in the use of VLOOKUP. Let's just try it first, equals VLOOKUP. Here we click this one. Then, as usual, table array, we block. Don't forget to press F4. Next, comma. Then the index column, because we're looking for a gender, means in the array table, is in the second column, then make 2. Then 0. Close the enter bracket. Well, we can just pull it like this. Well, look at the weirdness that happened. Here, the formula we use is correct. Yes, we use F4. Already correct formula. But there's something strange here. That is Richard. Richard is here. But there is an error here. Then Olivia. Also here there is, but here error. That's the cause because of the excess space. If Richard is excess space in front, the word Richard, then this Olivia was behind her. Like this. From the word Olivia. So to get over it, we could use a trim to remove excess space. Yes, the way is like this. Here we add. In this B5 we clicked earlier. Here we add the trim. Then open the brackets, like this, close again here, then enter. Well, this is us. Just pull Richard and the Olivia has appeared, yes. Yes, Richard fit, that is male. Then Olivia female. This one definitely doesn't appear because Barbara. Nothing in this array table. So the others got it right, yeah. So the excess space was effect on the formula. VLOOKUP then need us. Eliminate or ignore excess space with trim. In the fourth case, errors in the use of VLOOKUP, or errors in writing VLOOKUP formula. Let's try ya. Equals VLOOKUP. Lookup value. Click this one. Then table array. We block like this. Then don't forget to press F4 on the keyboard. Comma. Then make 2. Because we want to find number of items in the second column of the array table. We make the reference, comma, 0, close enter. Well, here, I'll copy this first. I pull like this. Here the result is error, yes. Even though 2023 is here. Should be 120. That happened because of the different format. On this year, yeah. Format here is text, while the year format here is number. Or general, yeah, like this. Well, what format is it in? Yes, how? We have to change this. The existing year format on the table over here. How to block it? Like that, there are two ways, yes. Then click this exclamation mark. Comedian convert to number. Well, the result looks like this. Or in the second way. The second way is block like this. Then go to the Data tab. Next select Text to Columns. Then select Delimited. This one, then Next. Next, check this tab. Then Next. Next replace him. General, yeah. Replace him to General. Then Finish. Then he will turn like this. Here are 4 mistakes in the use of VLOOKUP. Hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.